First Standard EVS Chapter 7 Plants Around Us.
Hi students, welcome to EVS class. Now close your eyes. Can you see anything around you? No, we can't. Now open your eyes. What are the things can we see? We can see wall clock, tube light, fan, TV, chair, book, note. Okay? These are the things we can see inside our house. Then outside our house, we can see plants, birds and animals. Okay kids? So today we are going to learn things around us. Now look at the board kids. There are two types of things. Okay, they are living things and non-living things. Okay kids, what are they? Living things, non-living things. Okay, there are two types of things. Now see, the examples of living things are human beings, plants and animals. Okay kids, human beings means man, woman, boy, girl. Okay, these are the human beings. And plants means neem tree, mango tree, banyan tree. Okay, these are the type of plants. Then animals, for example, cat, cow, dog, tiger. Okay, these are the examples for animals.
Now we are going to learn about living things only. Okay? Living things means what kids? Things which have life are called living things. Okay? Things which have life are called living things. Now see the characteristics of living things. Okay? Living things can eat, breathe, grow, move and reproduce young ones. Okay? Living things can eat, breathe, grow, move and reproduce young ones. All living things eat food. Okay? Now see this picture. He is a man. He eats food. Okay? Now see the picture. This is a cow. Okay? A cow eats grass. Okay kids? Next, lion. Okay? Lion eats other animal. Okay kids? Now see the picture. Okay? They are birds. Birds eat grains and insects. Okay kids? Now next one, dolphin. Okay, dolphin eats small fishes. Living things breathe. All living things need air. We breathe in air rich in oxygen. Like animals also breathe with the help of lungs. Fishes breathe through their gills. Plants breathe through stomata. Stomata are tiny opening on the leaves. Tiny means very small. Okay? So, both plants and animals need air. Living things grow. A seed grows into a small plant. Okay, a seed grows into a small plant and a small plant grows into a big tree. Okay, a small plant grows into a big tree. Next one, a baby grows into a child. and a child grows into a man. Next, all living things can move. Animals move from one place to another in search of food, shelter, etc. Okay, now see the picture. A man walk. Then birds fly. Okay, next horses run. Then fishes swim. Then last one, snake crawls. But plants do not move from one place to another because they are held firmly in the soil by their roots. Okay, so plants only cannot move, but the remaining living things can move. Next, living things reproduce. All living things give birth to young ones which are similar to themselves. This is known as reproduction. Birds, snake, fishes, and frogs reproducing by laying eggs. Other animals like lion reproduce by giving birth to young ones. Plants also reproduce by seeds. Next, all living things can feel. Can you touch hot tea or milk, kids? No. We immediately draw our hand. Okay? Then see this picture. This plant is called touch me not plant. Okay? This plant is called touch me not plant. If we touch the leaves means suddenly it close their leaves. Some plants show special kind of movement. Okay, now see the flower. What is this, kids? Yes, this is a sunflower. Okay, sunflower always turns in the direction of sunlight. So today we learnt about living things. Things which can grow, move, breathe and reproduce are called living things. Okay? Living things can also feel emotions like anger, fear and happiness. Okay kids, we will meet in next class. Bye.